Okay, got a few more walls to place here, and up in the this laundry room area, this wall here. So we're going to go ahead and get those placed. I did go in and adjust dimensions on my walls. After looking at it this morning, I noticed that this wall here was up above my stairs. Some of the spacing wasn't right. I don't know if I didn't pay attention to the dimensions or what, but I go in now, and when I touch this wall, inside edge to inside edge, 15.3, that's what this bedroom is supposed to be. I go and touch this one, I'd have to drag over here. Let's check the inside. 12'4", that's what it's supposed to be. We're not sure what size these are. They don't really give us a bathroom size. I do know, as I mentioned before, that if you touch this wall, edge to edge should be 5 feet. This wall, we have, you zoom in on it, 5 feet, because the tub will fit stud to stud. And these are stud walls. These are 3.5 inches. These are 5.5 inches. I have a small 5.5 inch wall here. I may have to make it longer or shorter after I put the tub shower in. This is a plumbing wall. I have across the hallway here, I actually ended up with 3 feet 2 inches on my hall. Your closet here, you can kind of decide how deep you want it. I've got it 5 feet 3'6" here. It could go less than that 3'6" because we just have a 2'6" door going in here. So if we wanted another 6 inches of closet space, we have room for that. So you could make that, I'm going to make it 5'4". I don't know if that's a good measurement. We'll see. But you can move it around. This wall, when I check it, inside to inside, 10 feet. That's what it's supposed to be, by 11.2 approximately, and I don't know if that's what that would come out to. Let's see. It's going to be close. Oh, no, it's going to be exact. And then if I touch this wall, I've got 10'6". That's what that's supposed to be. And I made these closets 2 foot 1 inches deep. Let's see if we, oops, I thought I did. 25 inches. Remember, the wall that's selected when you change these numbers is the wall that gets moved. That's an important concept with anything we do in the software. Doors, windows, walls, whatever's selected when you change the numbers, that's what moves. To make sure these stairs don't move. Just not going to move them, I guess. I'm going to put a wall in. Here's the 2x4 stud wall, and I can come out here, draw that wall in. It's supposed to go right to the top of the stairs, so I'm going to use my align tool. I'm going to select the wall, come up here to align, and say to this edge, that. How far out does it go? If you look at your drawing, doesn't really give you a measurement. It does say the kitchen is 11'4", so I'm going to guess that once we get the kitchen put in, or the laundry room put in, we'll come out 11'4" and knock that off. We have a laundry room that's 5'6" by 10'2". So if we go up here and put another wall in, come down, bring it over. Doesn't matter where it's at right now. I touch this wall, I can go. No. I'm going to use this dimension over here. And and get it from this 6-inch wall instead of the 2x4 wall. We'll go from the 6-inch wall, 2x6 wall. It says it's 10 foot 2, so I can change that to 10 foot 2. And then if I select this wall, this is only supposed to be inside 5 foot 6, I believe. 5 foot 6. And this wall, we could grab it and just pull it out a little bit. We can adjust that. It just has to hide the refrigerator. So once we get the refrigerator placed in here, we may adjust that in and out a little bit. So if this kitchen is supposed to be 11 feet 4 inches, I'm going to guess that's about where this wall should fall at. If I touch this wall and I grab this measurement here, let's do it a different way. Let's go to annotate linear dimension, and I'm going to go from here to here. So it says that's 11 feet 9 7/8. I want it to be 11 feet 4. So now I can go up and go 11 feet 4 inches. Now the problem is the alignment moved. So I'm going to undo this, and I'm going to say, when I do this alignment, I'm going to do it again. I say to this edge, this, I'm going to lock it so that doesn't move. And then when I touch this guy and change that to 11 feet 4 inches, I think it moved my stairs. I'm going to have to make sure I lock my stairs down. Now let's see what happens. 11 feet 4 inches. And we'll use the align and just go to here and move that down. Do it that way. I'll get rid of that for now. So once that's there, you may want to leave it for a while. We could use it in our dimensioning later on. But right now I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to put in another wall. Let's go. This wall goes all the way down. Like I said before, if you look at your plans, I'm looking at them right now, this is just an open stairwell. I guess if I were building it, I'd come in here, right here, and I'd put a wall in and have the stairs go underneath. They do. I mean, you could actually slide this back one step and still have head clearance. So this could undo. This wall could actually go all the way back like that. You still have head clearance at usually 1 step, 2 steps, and we start running into problems with our minimum head clearance of 6 foot. Preferred height is 6 foot 8 inches underneath the steps by code. So this could be a closet, or if we didn't have this wall at all, it could be an area where we put shelving and stereo, or closet. I want to use it as a closet. So you can customize this area however you want. Just go around and touch the walls, check your measurements again. We'll be back in a few minutes and be looking at placing windows and doors and then starting to dimension this.